We are going to make an earring holder with a little patriotic flair. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I just had this like frame. I got it at the Goodwill. I took the glass and the back out. I'm gonna paint this in Paint Pixie's metallic blue, which is the color called Starry Night. So this is just the coffee primer, like I said. I am gonna paint this first. I was debating, should I paint it first, but yes, we're gonna paint it first. All right, oh my gosh, this color is like dreamy. This is the Paint Pixie Starry Night. This is still available. Look at that. Is that not amazing? Okay, so we're gonna flip this over. I'm gonna make sure nothing is wet here. So see how it's kind of like in a roll? So it's never, ever, ever quite flat. I tend to make this the back. I don't go down where the hump is down here. And I already measured it out to sit. That's why I said you want to find a frame that like has that inside lip. Now this is where it's gonna take some time, okay? Guys, it's just a crap ton of hot glue. So all you're gonna do is find a flat part. You want this to lay flat against your frame, and you're just going to lay a bead of hot glue right down on top of, you know, that little lip where those little prongs from this is on there. So there's the back. See how you just cut it and then that glue just holds down those little, the sides? So now I'm gonna grab a piece of jute. It just kind of finishes it off a little bit. See how this looks? I guess I could have done this on top of, like laid the glue down and then press this down, like I'm going glue on top of glue. All right, so here's what we got. So as you can see, it is metal, y'all. I'm thinking like, so here's some like gold. Would it even show up? This is just liquid gold. Oh, look at that, it does. Can you guys even see the difference? So let's see. I got a foam brush. Much easier, yes. And we did paint the screen gold. Isn't this so pretty with that gold? Look at how it just goes so well with the blue. You're gonna go around this, I'm going around all this inside part, so right here, and this is why I just use my finger. All right, so here's what we have. Look at how gorgeous. Isn't that so pretty? Isn't that a gorgeous like flag blue? I've got a flag, and I've got the little pin, or I've got the heart. Now see, my friend lives in Jersey, so I could do this one with the Statue of Liberty on there. She lives in Jersey, so that's kind of perfect. We'll put it right up there at the top. It's got New York, and she's in New York, so it kind of fits perfectly because that's the Statue of Liberty. But look at how perfectly that blue matches. And you can just take, I don't have any earrings up here, but you just take your little earrings out, and you can, I put 2 per hole or whatever. You can put a ton of earrings on the hair, on here.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.